Hi, my good people. Welcome to the Finance for Families channel, your go-to for financial literacy, investing guidance, and family wealth building support. Now, one of the latest news from the NSE, the Nairobi Securities Exchange, is that Kenya Airways, known to most as KQ, has had its suspension lifted and has now resumed trading. Personally, as an investing coach and more so an investor in the Kenyan stock market, I got curious to see how the share is trading post-suspension. So I have logged on to my online trading account. But because the stock hasn't been trading since March 2020, it's not on my watch list, and it's likely not to be on your watch list as well. So once you log on to your online trading platform and go through, I'm sure you may realize that it's not on your watch list. Now, this is a simple guide on how you will be able to add it to your watch list. So you go to script, click on it, then you come and click on select, then on search you put in KQ, click on that, and then add. So once you add, you refresh the symbol side, you'll see it's been added to the stocks on your watch list. So if you click on it, now you're able to come and see the market depth. This is the market depth, which is basically the bid quantities and the offer quantities. As you can see, currently there are no offers on KQ shares. There are only bids, with the highest bidders being at 4 shillings and 45 cents. Remember, on the last day of trading, which was in March 2020, KQ closed at 3 shillings and 83 cents. I'm very curious to see how it's going to perform during its first week of trading, as I'm sure most of us are as well. Thank you for watching. This is your simple guide on how to add a stock that is currently not on your watch list. It might not just be KQ, it could be any other stock that is actively trading. Thank you, and see you on the next video.